And we're off here on Grand Prix Racers. Anyway, in about 10 minutes. Going to be getting 2 laps round on here as well. It's the largest coaster they've got here. Some nice views, all the landscaping. Hey, a bit of helix, woo! Hey, quite fast on that corner there. You gotta brace yourself. Don't underestimate it. I said this at the other Gulliver's parks. Yeah, 3 out of 4 have got this coaster. Just Matlock Bath that hasn't. Whee, and yeah, it's a cred for me, this one. Obviously not got this one before. With it only opening in 2022. Whoa! Yeah, some of the profiling is crazy. There we go. Grand Prix Racers. Good fun ride.